what would be the first step for somebody who was in your position back in the day?
Unlearn every single thing you thought you knew about credit and relearn the real truth about credit. And this is where a shift of the mind comes in. Before you start anything, you have to have a paradigm shift. Because you see, when I said enough was enough, that's what changed me from a victim mentality to a hunter mentality. I got hungry for information because I needed information to change my situation. I wanted to come in, Mr. Delavante, have a seat. Here's a bottle of water. These are the choices. I want that. I don't want this. You know, when you go in a dealership and they do this, you know you're not getting approved when they do this.
Yeah.
You're a co-signer or you're not getting approved. When they raise the hand like this, like, oh, bro, you know you're not getting approved. When it's down, everything's great with your paperwork. But the minute you see this,
the hand raise,
yep, just know you are not getting approved. So it's when you learn these things, you're learning what banks pull from where, what credit score they need, what credit union is pulling from here. You know now that this dealership pulls from this bank. So now you're able to run a sequence of 15 cars in 30 days if you want to build out your tour fleets off of just 3 or 1 inquiry. When you know that type of stuff, you're able to move and operate differently.